Real estate math questions on the Arizona licensing exam are usually straightforward once you understand the basic concepts. The key is recognizing what the question is asking you to calculate. Welcome back to Property Professor's AZ Real Estate Exam Series. In this module, we'll cover the core math concepts that appear most often on the Arizona real estate exam. Let's begin with one of the most important tools in real estate math: percentages. Many real estate calculations involve percentages. These may include commission rates, loan-to-value ratios, property taxes, or price adjustments. A percentage simply represents a portion of a whole. For example, if a real estate agent earns a 6% commission on a home that sells for $400,000, the commission is calculated by multiplying the sale price by the percentage. Understanding how to convert percentages into decimals is essential for solving these problems. To convert a percentage into a decimal, simply divide by 100. For example, 6% becomes 0.06, 10% becomes 0.10, 3% becomes 0.03. Once converted to a decimal, the percentage can be multiplied by the total value to calculate the result. Next, let's discuss loan-to-value ratio, often abbreviated as LTV. Loan-to-value ratio compares the size of a loan to the value of the property being purchased. Lenders use this ratio to evaluate risk when approving mortgage loans. LTV equals loan amount over property value. For example, if a buyer borrows $240,000 to purchase a $300,000 property, the loan-to-value ratio is 80%. Loan-to-value ratios are frequently used by lenders to determine loan eligibility and mortgage insurance requirements. Another important concept in real estate math is acreage and land measurement. Real estate professionals often work with square footage and acreage when evaluating land. 1 acre equals 43,560 square feet. This conversion is commonly tested on real estate licensing exams. For example, if a parcel of land contains 87,120 square feet, dividing by 43,560 tells us the property contains 2 acres. Next, let's review a common concept related to commissions. Real estate commissions are usually calculated as a percentage of the final sales price. For example, if a home sells for $500,000 and the commission rate is 5%, the total commission would be $25,000. That commission may then be divided between brokerages or agents depending on the agreement. Understanding how to calculate percentages, ratios, and land measurements will help you solve many math questions on the Arizona real estate exam. In Part 2, we'll walk through Arizona-style exam questions covering commission calculations, loan-to-value ratios, and acreage conversions. If you're serious about becoming a licensed real estate agent in Arizona and want mentorship beyond just passing the exam, connect with me. I'm building a team of well-trained professionals who want to build their careers the right way.